In today's video, I'll teach you how to add delivery address on Whatnot. So first of all, launch open Whatnot application. You can see over here Whatnot application has been opened. Initially, you'll be led to this kind of interface. So if you want to add the delivery address, it is actually very simple. Tap on the account icon that you can see at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now you can see over here, you'll be led to the account interface. You'll be able to find various options over here. At second, you'll be able to find this option for payments and shipping. What you have to do is tap on it. Now you'll be able to find the options like delivery method, payment method, etc. So if you want to add the delivery address, what you have to do is tap on this option delivery method that you can see on the screen. Now you can see over here, you'll be able to add the delivery address. You can either search for the address or you can also enter it manually. If you want to search for the address, tap on the search bar. Now after you do that, search for your address over here. Now tap on the address of your choice. If you want to add the address manually, what you have to do is enter your full name. Likewise, enter the address and address too over here. Also enter the city, state or province, postal code and country over here. Now after you do that, if you want to make this address the default shipping, simply check on this box default shipping. Likewise, if you want to make it the return address too, simply check on this box return address. Now after you add all this information, tap on the option save that you can see at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now after you do that, you can see over here your delivery address will be added. So that is how you add delivery address on Whatnot. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.